Scream Break returns, the John Wick experience, and more coming up on this week's news. Scream Break makes a haunting comeback to Six Flags Magic Mountain in Valencia, California, starting March 22nd and running each Friday and Saturday until April 13th. Experience 2 haunted houses, 3 scare zones, 2 DJs, and unlimited rides in the dark from 9 p.m. until midnight. Navigate through the terrifying mazes of Saw and Condemned House Party, brave 3 scare zones, face your fears in the dark on coasters including Wonder Woman, Flight of Courage, Full Throttle, Goliath, Batman the Ride, and Twisted Colossus, plus move to the beat of 2 live DJs in DC Universe and the Full Throttle Plaza. Tickets are on sale now for $40 per person, but if you're a pass holder, there's good news because admission is free with a limited number of reservations available online and at the park on a first-come, first-served basis. The John Wick experience is coming to Area 15 in Las Vegas later this year. This 12,000 square foot attraction marries interactive theater with cinema-inspired environments to thrust you into the heart of the John Wick universe. Your mission begins at the Las Vegas Continental, where fantasy meets reality in a high-octane excursion through the depths of an assassin's world. Plus, you can visit a themed bar and retail shop that's open for everyone. The John Wick experience is being brought to life by the minds at Egan Productions, who are the same people that built the Escape It experience that we talked about last year. The Winchester Mystery House in San Jose, California invites you to celebrate halfway to Halloween with flashlight tours on 4 dates in late April and early May. Gear up for an eerie, self-guided exploration of the enigmatic mansion. Listen closely to hair-raising tales of the spectral past as you traverse its unlit corridors. For Halloween lovers in the Philadelphia area, tickets are now on sale for Transworld's East Coast Haunters Convention at the Greater Philadelphia Expo Center on April 27th and 28th. This new regional event will feature haunted house tours, networking events, evening parties, and a lively exhibit floor. The event is open to the public and early bird tickets start at $40 for single-day show floor admission or $65 for the weekend. And for all of you Chucky fans out there, Sci-Fi is bringing back the terror this spring with a new season of Chucky. Catch Chucky's menacing antics returning with the second half of Season 3 on April 10th on USA and Sci-Fi. And that's all for this week's news. If you'd like to read more about these stories, please consider subscribing to our free weekly industry newsletter at hauntedattractionnetwork.com.